Hello, Jolie, Crochet Basics, and this is a vlog preview I've been doing. So this is number 16 on the vlog train, and this is like I chat you up and talk to you about crochet and stuff like that if you haven't seen one of these before, one of mine before. So anyway, I guess work first, right? Now I was working on Trevor from the Kiff. And I was trying to redo some things on him and, you know, just adjust a few things. And then against my better judgment and what I know I shouldn't do is I put him aside and I started working on a Helen. And I started this last week. And I know that I shouldn't do that because am I going to get back to it? Am I going to end up putting it aside and not getting back to it? And I do want to get back to it. I think I just needed something more challenging to just take my mind off of some stuff, you know. So I said, you know what, I want to do the Helen, so I started this one. I got an ambulance or a police car going by. Okay, so I just I'm having a rough one, you know. My fur baby, my dog has been sick for the past month. So I just, I said, even though I know I shouldn't start a new project without finishing up whatever, I said, let me get on something challenging and just zone out, So anyway, so that's where I'm at with that. And I was also thinking I'm going to put up some finished ones of, Barry and Kiff and whatever on my Etsy's. Mainly because, I don't really do that, but not everybody crochets and not everybody, and I was thinking, I was like, maybe I'll list them and, see whatever. Make a few up and stuff. Anyway, what else is doing? So I went to a wedding this weekend. And it was nice. It was out of state, so we stayed over in a hotel and everything. It was really a beautiful ceremony and venue and all of that good stuff. And a few things that I, registered in my brain. If you're going to have a wedding, if you're planning on planning a wedding and stuff like that, look for a venue where it's only one event at a time. And I know this is crochet vlog or whatever, but really and I've been to a few different weddings, different ones where it was only one wedding going on and a few where there was a couple events going on at the same time and everything. And, it seemed, this one, it registered in my brain. It was very relaxed or, easier going that it was just that one wedding happening. Everyone was gently ushered to where the ceremony was going to take place. The buffet cocktail hour was over an hour. So, that was fun, sitting there and or going back and seeing the different foods and stuff like that and trying different foods and things like that. So that was, and then even when we were ushered into the ballroom, and everyone's finding their seats and stuff like that. It was because the staff, I think because the staff only had this one event, you weren't rushed. When there's multiple events going on, they need that room. They got to reset it. So you got to move, so, so that was really I really enjoyed that. And I thought that was if I had to do it all, if I was going to get married again, which I'm not, I perfectly love my husband and all of that, but I thought that was a good tip, and the wedding was beautiful. The bride and groom, oh, so gorgeous, so exciting, and they just another little, but they really made the guests, as a guest, I felt appreciated or wanted or they thought about their guests. When we checked into the room, we said, oh, we're here for such and such wedding. And I got handed a gift bag. And I didn't look at it till we got in the room. And then when I looked at it, the label on it was, thank you for coming to celebrate. And it had the label had all the information. If you're doing the family photos, meet in the lobby at this time for the bus to go to the venue. If you're just going, you know, for the ceremony and the after, you know, meet at that time, and this is the place, and this is the address, you know, and thank you so much for coming out and celebrate. And I thought it was great. Like, it was little bits, little packets of aspirin, different aspirins, some bottled waters and stuff, under eye things, and some treats, some cookies and stuff like that. And I was like, oh my gosh, you know, I was like, how sweet is that? And thoughtful, totally thoughtful. You know, and then even at the ceremony, you know, it was just very, like, it was just very relaxed. Everybody was having such a wonderful time. They even had, like, in the ladies' room, they had pairs of flip-flops for the ladies, you know, because you forget to wear in your new shoes or whatever it is, and you're wearing your high heels, and you want to get on the dance floor and stuff like that. And I thought that was so fabulous. Like, I kept seeing ladies come out with flip-flops, pairs of white flip-flops, and they're like, oh, look, I got my flip. And I was like, oh, I was like, oh, she must have went to her car or something, you know, or, oh, you know, something's going on. So silly, you know. And then when I went to the ladies' room and I went to go wash my hands, I was like, what's up? Hey. I was like, that's flip-flops. And I thought that was really thoughtful, because I cannot, like, you know, how many times you get new shoes, or you're wearing shoes you haven't worn in a while, or you got the high heels and strappy sandals, you know, especially if it's a formal event and everything. So, and it was just wonderful to see everyone so happy and having such a nice celebration, really. And the food was outrageous, and the bride looked fabulous, and all the groom and the groomsmen, they were so handsome. You know, so that was nice, and I needed that. I needed that high, you know, that outing. Because this year is kicking my butt. I swear, 2024, really, please turn around already. I need some good stuff going on. This is getting hard. All right, I'm going to stop my rambling now. So, anyway, I am going to finish up Helen first. Congratulations to the bride and groom, of course, you know. They don't watch my vlog, but that's okay. Just really sweet, you know. Sweet couple and stuff. They're together a good while and stuff. So, you know they're going to make it. Like, you know, when you go to a wedding and you know they're going to make it. Like, I've been to weddings where you're like, why are we here? You know? And those weddings didn't last. And it makes you sad, you know, but everyone else saw it, you know. But this couple's going to last. You definitely, I could tell. Not a doubt in my mind. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to finish up Helen. I have a few different options I want to do for her hair. 2 different options I was thinking about for her hair. But she'll be done soon, because I just need to keep moving. I just need to keep my head up and keep moving at this point, because this year has just been so rough so far. And Trevor will be done soon. I'm just going to type him up and do some adjustments while I type up the pattern and stuff like that. And I think that's about it. So thank you so much for watching and listening to my rant. Not really a rant, but, you know, my babbling. And as always, happy hooking, because it keeps you off the streets and looking super cool and all of that. And whatever you're doing, I hope it's a good one. Enjoy it. Get the good out. Get into the light and enjoy it. Spring is coming. It's here, and it's, you know, ready to bloom all over the place, I hope. All right. Have a good one. Thank you so much for watching Jolie, Crochet Basics Preview Vlog, number 16 on the vlog train. Don't break the chain. Have a good one. Ciao. Bye.